Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Jyoti Ketan and you're watching Arcandy. This is the part 5 of my series Thesis in Architecture. In the previous videos, I have discussed about selection, proposal, approval of topic, site selection and literature review, and site analysis. If you haven't watched those videos, then please watch them. I will put the link in the description box below. Today I will talk about case studies. So without further delay, let's get started with today's video. Case studies are very important part of thesis. Case studies can be divided into two parts, that is international and national case study. While we do case study for normal project, we focus on national case studies and one international case studies which data can be taken from internet, that is the secondary data. But in the thesis, case studies are national and international, which we bring primary data by visiting the actual place. In these thesis, you can either do national case studies or international case studies or both. You don't need to do all those. It's your choice which you want to do. It's an opportunity to visit and explore different places nationally and internationally. For my thesis, I did my case study in Delhi, in India. I visited many places as I did my thesis on co-working space. While doing case study, you have to be sure where you are going to do your case study, as time is very limited and you have to collect a lot of data. You have to be also sure before going to any place if it provides you permission or not. Through emails, you can mail to these places and get notified and confirm, and only then you have to move further. Your college also provides you some of the letters like permission letters which you can give to these places, as these are helpful in providing you permission. While doing your case study, you have to remember these points, and some of the points are: take permission through letters, mails, phone calls, etc. After you get permission, next step is to visit the place. While visiting the place, see if the place goes according to literature review or not. Understand the zoning of the space. Here zoning refers to you have to divide every area according to different zones like private, public, semi-public or semi-private. Study the function of space. Different zones have different functioning. Planning of the space, how it is planned, its architects, any special treatment, its external facade, internal surrounding, and any specific concept in the building. Use of the landscapes, parking and other areas, how they have been built, their area occupied according to bylaws or not. Location of the area where it is. The general information of the area that might include air built, total area, floor area, architect or any construction company or developer name, story, number of blocks, capacity of the building, any landmark nearby or building studies, plannings of the building if not, you can also sketch a rough diagram. Mention everything in every floor, what things are there in every floor, each and every floor. Analyze it with literature review. So this much for today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, stay tuned to my channel and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.